Crack the code, a binary holiday activity. Convert the bitmaps into binary using 0 to represent a white pixel and a 1 to represent a black pixel. The first row has nothing but white boxes. So how many boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So we're going to make sure to put 9 zeros on this line. The second row is the same thing, 9 zeros. Next we have one black box in the middle. So our code is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, a 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Next row we have 3 white pixels and 3 black ones in the middle and 3 more white pixels. So that's going to be represented as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 0. Now that we have more black pixels, it's getting a little harder to count the pixels. So we're going to use columns. The lines will help us figure out how many black pixels there are in the middle. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black pixels in the middle. So that's going to be represented as 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 for 5 black pixels. And then 2 more at the end. 1, 2 white pixels at the end. Instead of counting the black pixels here, because there's a lot of them, I'm just going to count the 1 white pixel in the front and then the 1 white pixel at the end and fill in the rest of my row with 1s. I know that the whole row has a total of 9 pixels. So when I'm done, I'm just going to count to make sure I have 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's just a different way of doing the binary code for this one. Now for the next row, I have nothing but black pixels, and I know that there's 9 pixels in each row once again. So I'm just going to mark 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next row has 4 white pixels in the front, 1 black pixel in the middle, and then 4 at the end. And the last row is the exact same thing. So now we turned our bitmap into our binary code. Now go ahead and do this next one by yourself. Part 2. Convert the binary into bitmaps. Use white to represent 0 and black to represent 1. So here is the binary code. Use the first code here to convert it into the map. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the first row is 0, 0, 0, 1. This is going to be colored in. And then the rest are going to be blank because they're all zeros. Our next row is going to be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's an easy pattern to remember. So it's going to look like 0, 1, 0, blank, and then 1, color it in. 0, 1, color this one in. 0, 1 again. And the last pixel is going to be 0, so blank. Next row, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now, it might be hard to remember, so what you could also do is write in the numbers in the pixels. This will make it easier to just color in all the ones. And then when you're done, you can just go back and erase the zeros, or you can leave them. Your bitmap will still come out. For the next row, you could do the same thing and write it in the boxes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 0, 1 first, because the middle is filled with zeros, and at the end we have 1, 0. So now I'm going to write 1, 0. The rest of the boxes are all zeros. I don't need to write those in. I'm just going to color in the 2 ones that are in this row. It's just a different way of thinking. You could do it however you'd like. Now we have that pattern again, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I'm just going to skip every other pixel, color in the first one, and I can just follow the pattern and skip every other pixel to complete the row. This next row looks like the one from 2 lines above. We have a bunch of zeros except for the 2 ones. So I'm going to do the same thing again and put 0, 1 in the front and 1, 0 in the end, and then just color in the ones. For this next row, I think I'd like to write in the numbers again. Start with 0, 0, 1. And then just write in the rest of the code and color in all the ones. I have another pattern of 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So I know just to color in every other pixel. So I lost my last video footage. I had to start another paper. So the pattern was 0, 1, 0, 1. So we're going to fill that in the boxes. And then let's go ahead and fill in the bottom row, which only has 1 black pixel in the middle. This is the bitmap once you're done. Now let's see if you can do the next one by yourself.